Hello my friends, inside this module we are going to continue working with the main structure behind our Joomla website. Now we are going to be enhancing the index.php and the template details. Together with that we are going to include the optimizer.php, which will increase the speed of our website, and also we are going to be including the initial CSS file and some JavaScripts that will help us to block Internet Explorer number 6. One important thing that you will need to know is that you should stop developing websites for Internet Explorer number 6. That old browser, which I believe will be 11 years old, it is not going to be good for you because you are going to find several problems inside that browser. Now, on this video we are going to start with the CSS style. First of all, you will need to click on the index.php. On my case, I will continue working inside the CMS teachings. And then on the index.php, you are going to right click, open with, and active Komodo. The CSS style, how it is going to help you? Well, the CSS style will help you with the layout that you are going to be including inside your Joomla website. As you can see, this website has a CSS style, and if you actually analyze the source code, if you right click, view page source, you can actually notice this type text CSS, and these are going to be the home layout and the home styles. These are going to be the style sheets that are going to enhance the layout inside this website. If you click CSS inside your web developer toolbar, you are going to be able to go in here, all styles, and in that way you are going to be disabling all the CSS styles. Now, right now we are not going to include the CSS rules. We are just going to create the CSS file, which will include all the CSS rules. If you analyze this website, well, the template that we are using, right click, view page source, this will be the head, and inside here you are not going to be able to find any CSS style. Why? Because we have not included any CSS style inside our index.php. So let's go to Komodo, and inside the head, okay, right here will be the head, this part, and then after the JDoc include head, you are going to click enter and then open initial angle bracket. Then you are going to type link space, the href in this case will be the location of your CSS style. Remember, we are going to be working with the CSS style CMS gray. That will be the name that we are going to give in this case, CMS, let me move in here, gray.css. Then we are going to click enter. The rel will be in this case a style sheet. Let's type style sheet. Then you are going to click space and write down the type attribute. Inside the quotes you are going to write down text slash CSS. Then we are going to close this empty element, which will be the link element space, diagonal, and the final angle bracket. Now you have not finished in here because you will need to really change the location in here. Now if you analyze, let me go back in here to my Joomla root files. I will have all my Joomla root files inside the folder Joomla 25. So let's go in there, scroll down, templates, and as you can see you will need to follow the path. Let me click CMS teachings and CSS. This will be the path, as you can see up here. So you will need to copy all that from the template CMS teachings and CSS. Right click, copy, then you are going to go back, and before the name you are going to paste, then slash, and you are going to have templates slash CMS teachings slash CSS and the folder CMS, well, the file CMS gray. Now before the templates folder you are going to include a special PHP code, and down below this video you are going to be able to find that code. You are going to be able to see base URL code, and you are just going to copy and paste in here. There you are, then diagonal. And this PHP code will be really important because that will actually include your domain name inside the URL. Again, don't worry if you don't understand that, but this code will be transformed into your domain name. Then you are going to click File and Save. And finally, before finishing this video, we are going to go to File and click on New, File from Template, and in here all languages, and on the right you are going to select CSS. Click in there and open, and then you are going to save this file as CMS Gray, but you are going to save this file inside the CSS folder. Let's double click in there, and the name of the file will be CMS Gray. CMS Gray, and click Save. Then you are going to go to your file software, and inside the CSS, as you can see here, you are going to go back on your left, double click, and upload the new file. Click Upload. There you are, going back to the CMS Teachings folder, and we are going to upload the new index.php with the new modifications. Right click, Upload, and click OK. Now, in order for you to confirm these changes, you can go back to your website, click Refresh, right click, and View Page Source. And now, as you can see, you are going to be able to see the file in here, the cmsgray.css. Another option will be if you go to your administrator, then Extensions and Template Manager. Then if you click on Templates and scroll down and find the template, click on CMS Teachings Details. If you find the cmsgray.css inside the style sheets, you have successfully accomplished all the steps. For this video, my friends, that will be it, and let's move on.